Day two. Uh, we ran out of daylight yesterday, but originally we weren't expecting to do this much. Uh, I was like, hey, I can do it all. Just point me to what you want me to wash, you know? So, like I said, day two. It's cold. It's 37 degrees, I think. Wind's blowing a little bit. Uh, so yeah, let's finish to what we began yesterday. Alright, so now we got the sunlight to where we're working, which will help you see better. So let's get this side sprayed as well, and we'll get this one going. This side's pretty dirty over here. And like with this brick house, is not much mold going on up top. It's always on the bottom. So we'll get about to where we can reach comfortably. Clean this guy out too. Okay, you can stop spitting out now. This is the only weird thing about this Scott's hand pump. If you pump it too much and you're finished spraying, you let the sprayer off, it'll keep going until it loses pressure, but whatever. Alright, so let's get started. day 2 is a wrap. Job is finished. Time to clean up and go home. But yeah, it looks much better. The top of the chimney is really bad, but that's what I was able to reach. We're gonna see about getting an extension for the wand. That way I can get up a little bit higher. Yes, I know I can use a ladder, but it's just me out here, so I don't wanna risk it. So let's get packed up and I will show you an after for the entire house. So thumbs up if you like it. Alright, so we'll walk around and show you what we got completed before it gets too dark. So back here, the brick wasn't too bad at all. Mainly the facade, the gutters, and down low. That's where the most mold was. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna see about if this client wants to pressure wash the fence. You'll see why in a second. So this is the first wall I started. This wall, this concrete, that cubby. We got this facade, the porch, the wall, the gutter. Alright, come on this side. This one definitely didn't come out as good as the other sides, but it's still much better. But yeah, I hit two of these and that's the difference, so that could be another service I could provide. So yeah, it's been a job, that's for sure, but man, it looks way better. But yeah, that wraps it up. We'll just pack up and go home. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like. If you want to see more of this, or lawn cutting, or hedges, anything lawn care related, be sure to sub. And if you want to be notified as soon as I upload, just hit the notification button, the bell, whatever. You can join the TLC squad. You can be the first. Comment first if you're the first. I do it every once in a while, it's funny. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. So that's gonna be it. Thompson's Lawn Care out.